Hello, children. I hope you all are doing well and also paying attention in your studies, because due to this lockdown, many children are having a fun time at home, skipping their maybe or may not, skipping their online classes or facing issues related to their problem sums, maths, English, whichever subjects. As classes have been going online, students are unable to clear their doubts, facing issues, how to solve a particular sums. So this channel has been created for you little childrens. Whichever problem you may have, you can comment on the comment section. So today we are starting with equations. This is particularly for class 6 and 7 students. So I'll be solving some sums. I hope I may clear your doubts. But if any of you face any problems, you can freely comment on the comment section and we will try to reply to your queries as soon as possible. So let's begin with this chapter. Now, equations is related to algebraic part. I hope you all know what are variables, numerals. Okay. So, what is equation? Let's see to the introduction. Now see, an equation is a statement of equality that involves one or more literal numbers. So as the statement says, equation involves more than one literal numbers. It may include variables also. So any value of the variables that satisfies the given equation is called a solution or root of the equation. So let's begin with the sums, I think. Now what is equation and identity? Let me clear this out. In an equation, two sets of expressions are equalized by equal sign. This sign is your equal sign, okay? Now in each of these sets, the known and unknown expressions are connected by the signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So in these statements, we will get to work on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as well. So likewise in the beginning, we will be starting with easier sums, like which will include only addition, some will include subtraction, and as we go to the higher level, so we will get all of these included in a particular sums. Like for example, a sum is given here, x plus 2 is equal to 5. This is an equation. Now what is x here? X is the variable in the sums. Now see, plus is given like, so this is one addition sums, okay? So I think let's begin with this sums. X plus 2 equals to 5. Now x plus 2 is on the left hand side and on the 5 is on the right hand side. Okay. So we need to see both of these. Like if we have to take out the value of x. Now let's start this chapter. This is my first video, so if there's any error, please avoid these, as I am new in this channel and I hope to serve students all over the world as in any way I can. So I'm a little feeling hesitant also, like how I will be doing in this video, but I hope I may help you all out. Now the sum was x plus 2 equals to 5. So x plus 2 equals to 5. Now see, x is the variable. We need to take out the value of x. So we will put x on the left hand side and equals to 5 as it is on the right hand side. We will just copy it 5. Now remember children, whenever if we are taking the value of a variable, we need to take out the value of a variable. if we are transferring a number from the left hand side, this is left hand and this is right hand side. Okay, left hand side, right hand side. So whenever if we are solving, we need to take out the variable of x. We need to take out the value of x. X is a variable itself. So we need to transfer 2 on the right hand side. So whenever a number transfers from the left hand side to the right hand side, the sign changes. Like if it is plus, and then it will become minus here. So it is plus 2, it is coming from the left hand to the right hand side. So plus 2 will be minus 2. Okay. Likewise, if a variable would have been given here, then from the right hand side it would be here to the left hand side. So we need to change that. So we will work on this later on. Now we'll get the value of x. So x is equals to 5 minus 2 is 3. So we got the answer. Value of x 3. I hope you guys are clear with this. Likewise, I have copied a sum like x plus 7 is equal to 25. This was an example which I did for you. Okay, now see, this is same like this what we did in the example. X plus 7 is equals to 25. Now we need to take out the value of x, right? X is on the left hand side, 25 is on the right hand side. So x is equal to, this is an equation, we are solving the sums, we need to take out the value of x. So that is why we keep the variable only on the left hand side. We try to keep it on the left hand side, so it is easier to, because sometimes the variables are on the right hand side, your answer may come in negative, okay, like in minus. So try to keep it on the left hand side. So plus 7 will be minus 7. We will copy paste 25 as it is on the right hand side. Then plus 7 will be minus 7, because as I said earlier, whenever we are transferring a number from the left hand side to the right hand side, the sign will change. Plus will be minus. Okay. Now we'll get the value of we'll get the value of x. So if we minus 25 from 7 from 25, so what you will get? Let's solve here. For you children, I need to make a rough column. So let's see what we get. I'm trying to make it easier for you as I can. I am repeating, children, I am trying to make it easier for you all. We are working hard for you children, so that you can learn easily. You guys can learn from the comfort of your house. Because don't think that you guys are skipping online classes or your exams are being cancelled. You will get through this easily. No, my dear children, the time will be tougher for you all, because as you will grow, for example, students of 10 and 12, their exams have been cancelled, they are just passed out. Like, we have never heard that board exams are even cancelled. Okay, so in the coming years, I wish all the best to all children all over the world, but in the coming years you guys need to face a very tough competition. If you are going for any professional jobs in any company, in a private sector or a government sector, everyone need to show their mark sheets, their certificates, their academic careers. So if they'll see, oh yeah, this children passed out in 2020 or 2021, yeah, these days, that year was during lockdown, coronavirus and all this stuff. So you need to face a very tough interview, a tough competition. That is why, my dear children, please try to be serious in your studies. Do whatever you are doing. No one will stop you. You want to play as much as you can. You want to make crafts, do dance, sing, whatever you all want to do, but do pay attention in your studies also. You children are the careers of the country, of a particular country, and also you need to be dependent on yourself. Don't be dependent on anyone else. Your parents are here today to help you out. But what will happen? After a few years, you all will grow up. You all will be matured. So you need to do things on your own. So let's carry on. So I'm trying to make it easier as much as I can. So we'll do subtraction. Now, if we carry, we'll cut 2, carry 1. It will be 15 and 1. So 15 minus 7 will be 8 and 1 as it is. So this is 18. So value of x is 18. Now same sums I am taking in the subtraction form, like it will be x minus 7 minus 7 is equals to 25. I hope my writing has not been good here because I'm holding camera from one hand. Very soon I'll be purchasing a tripod. I'm sorry children, the video is a little shaky, but as I grow in this channel, I try to make all things available. Please do subscribe to my channel, and you may also comment any topics you are facing problem. We'll try to clear it out to you. So this is 7 here, minus 7. Earlier we did on the plus form, now we are doing in the negative form, minus. So now the value of x will be 25, we'll copy 25 as it is. Now minus will become here plus, because as I said, whenever we transfer a number, the sign will change from the left hand side to the right hand side. Now minus has become plus, so it will be plus 7. So now x is equals to, likewise again in the rough column, 25 plus 7. So how much is 25 plus 5 plus 7 is 12. Now 2 and 1 becomes 3. So 32 is my answer. I hope my children are getting clear. So now the next sums we have is in the negative form. I hope you, as I am doing, you all also practice. Now x minus 15 is equals to 45. So what will happen here? This was 1, this will be considered 2, and the next one is 3. So x minus 15 is 45. So 45 is being copied as it is, minus will become plus 15. So value of x, I can calculate the sums directly, but for you, my dear children, I am showing you each step so that you may not face any problem. So 5 and 5 becomes 10, 4 plus 1 5, and the carry 1 6. So 60 is your answer. So the value of x is 60. I hope I am clear with this. So for today I have done only similar. In the next video you will get more sums. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Hope you all do well and keep practicing. See you in the next video. Thank you.